In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss and stop limit order on Robinhood. Let's walk through this from the very beginning so you know exactly what to tap and why you're doing it. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the specific stock you want to protect. Make sure you're on the correct ticker and reviewing the right position. It helps to glance at your current holdings and recent price action so your stop makes sense in the context of the stock's movement. When you're on the stocks page, tap Trade, then choose Sell. Even though you might not be selling immediately, this is the path you use to set a protective sell order that can trigger later. Next, you'll choose your order type. Select Stop Order. A stop order is designed to help limit losses by automatically triggering a sale if the price falls to a level you've predefined. This is not about predicting the market, it's about planning your exit if things move against you. Now enter your stop price. This is the threshold where you want Robinhood to step in and sell. Think of it as your safety net. If the stock trades at or below that stop price, your stop order converts into a market order. That means it will sell at the best available price at that moment. Keep in mind, especially in fast-moving markets or after a gap down, the actual execution price can be lower than your stop because market orders prioritize speed over price. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Confirm the stock, the number of shares, and the stop price. If it all looks good, submit the order. Once placed, you can monitor it from your Orders tab. If the stop is reached, Robinhood will trigger the sale automatically. If not, it just sits there as protection. If you want more control over the price you receive when the stop is hit, consider using a stop limit order instead. This functions similarly, but when your stop price is reached, it triggers a limit order, not a market order. You'll specify a stop price and a limit price, giving you a minimum acceptable sale price. The trade-off is that in a sharp drop, your order might not fill if the market moves below your limit, leaving you still holding the shares. As a final tip, choose stop levels thoughtfully, give the stock room to fluctuate without tripping your stop too easily, and revisit your settings as conditions change. That's all there is to it.